What's up guys, in today's tutorial we are looking at how to use Blender 3.4 user interface. Without wasting much time, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. So first of all, click on General. So this is the user interface in Blender. If you are a beginner, just relax, you'll be friends with the user interface as time goes on. Okay, so first of all, we have the Blender icon, which comes with the splash screen, about Blender. We have files, which comes with new and open, recent, recover, and things. After that, we have edit, which consists of undo, redo, undo history, repeat lost, repeat history. And after that, we have render, render image, render animation, render audio, view render. After that, we have window, new windows, new main windows, and etc. When you go to the help section, we have manual, tutorial, support, user communities, and the rest. After that, we have layout. So this is the layout screen that you are watching right now. After layout, we have modeling. After modeling, we have sculpting. After sculpting, we have UV editing. After UV editing, we have texture paint. After texture paint, we have shading. After shading, we have animation. After animation, we have rendering. After rendering, we have compositing. After compositing, we have geometric news. After geometric news, we have Python or scripting and etc. That is it for some of the user interface. So basically, let's go back to the layout. So with the layout, we have edit type, which is this one. So under general, you can see 3D viewport, image editor, UV editor, compositor, texture nude editor, and the rest. After that, under the animation, we have dope sheet, timeline, graphic editor, drivers, non-linear animation. After that, we have under scripting, we have text editor, Python console, info. Under data, we have outliner, properties, file browser, asset browser, spreadsheet, preferences. Okay, so after that, as you can see, this is the object mode right over here. So when you click on each of the modes here, it will take you to a different page. So this is the object mode that we are looking at right now. So when you click on it and select edit mode, this is what you see in the interface. So you see that some features will change and new features will come. After that, when you click on the sculpt mode, this is what you will get. When you click on the vertex mode or paint, this is what you get, which means you are about to paint. When you click on the weight paint, this is what you get. And when you click on the texture paint, this is what you will get or you will see. Okay, so let's go back to the object mode, and that is it. After that, we have view, select, add an object. So when you click on view, these are the things that you see under view. We have cameras, viewport, navigation, align, review, view regions, play animations. After that, we have select. You see all, none, invert, box select, circle select, lasso select, select all bar type, select active camera, select minor, select random, and etc. After that, we have add, mesh, curves, surfaces, metal bulb, text, volume, grease, pencil, armature, lattice, empty, image, light, and etc. After that, we have objects. We have transform, set origin, mirror, clear, apply, snap, duplicate objects, duplicate, linked, join, and etc. After that, we have the globe, which is the transform orientation. We have globe, local, normal, gimbal, view, cursor, and etc. Okay, So when you click on the transform pivot point, you have bounding box center, 3D cursor, individual origin, median point, active element, and that is it. After that, when you click on the snap to, we have increment, vectors, edge, face, project, face, nearest, volume, edge, center, edge, perpendicular, and so on. Okay, so after that, you can turn on the proportional editing objects. Okay, so when you turn on the proportional editing object, you see smooth, sphere, root, inverse, square, sharp, linear, content, random. Thank you guys for watching. In my next tutorial, I'll continue with the part 2 of the user interface in Blender 3.4.